In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a make.com blueprint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's get started by logging into your make.com account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look over at the left sidebar of the screen. Here, you'll find a section labeled Scenarios. Click on that to navigate to the Scenarios page. This is where all of your workflows live, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with this area. Now that you're in the Scenarios section, it's time to create a new scenario. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see a button that says Create a New Scenario. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a blank workspace canvas where you can build your scenario, but today we are focusing on something special, importing a blueprint. With your blank workspace open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Scenario Builder toolbar located at the bottom of the canvas. You will notice several icons and options available to you here. To import a blueprint, you'll need to click on the three dots that you see in the toolbar. This is the More Options menu. When you click on it, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From that drop-down, you'll want to select Import Blueprint. This option is crucial because it sets the stage for bringing in a predefined workflow that someone else has created, or maybe one you've designed previously. So go ahead and click on Import Blueprint. After you select that, a prompt will appear, guiding you through the process of uploading the blueprint file. Now, this file is usually in JSON format, so if you have a blueprint file stored on your device, go ahead and locate it. Click on the appropriate button to upload the file from your device. If you don't have a file on hand, make sure to check if there are any options available in the library, as sometimes blueprints are provided there for you to use. Once you've selected your file and it's been uploaded, give it just a moment. You should see it automatically load onto your canvas. This is where the magic happens. The predefined workflow structure, along with all its configurations, will appear on your canvas, sparing you the effort of building everything manually from scratch. Isn't that convenient? By importing a blueprint, you drastically speed up your workflow creation process, allowing you to focus on the specifics tailored to your needs rather than starting with an empty canvas each time. And that's it. You've successfully imported a make.com blueprint. Now you're all set to customize the workflow and adapt it to fit your projects. If you run into any issues or have questions about any of the steps, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using make.com effectively. Thanks for watching and happy automating!